It's difficult being different. The type of different that isn't revered. The type of different that is viewed with impatience, sympathy, crude behavior, ill treatment, dismissiveness. It can be hard sometimes to feel out of place, but there can be solace in that discomfort. The solace that comes from knowing that in spite of the odds, you're doing something wonderful with your life. To exist is a wonderful thing. To be different is a wonderful thing. Thank you for aiding us in acknowledging World Disability Day via your viewership. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.